So, my dear friends, hello, good morning to everybody from Electrical Uncle. So, first, I will request always to use mask as well as follow a distance of 6 feet, social distancing of 6 feet to save yourself from bloody corona. So, gentlemen, today I am starting a new series also beside other videos, and this is based on my past experience of 10 years of solar projects, which I stopped working in the field 1 year before. So I want to share that experience of 350 megawatt. The solar system, some tips I will give you for your home. If you want to install a small system, what precautions, calculations, and care you have to take. What happens? Suppose you want to install a system of, say, 2 kilowatt at your home. What are the basic things you have to consider so not to feel cheated afterwards? For 2 kilowatt system, to be very true, vendors, they misguide you. It will give 4 unit, 5 unit, my panel is good, this inverter is good, that battery is good, this system is that and that. So my dear friends, as per my experience, if we will calculate the average per kilowatt, it gives normally 3 units only, 3 kWh as an average if we calculate throughout the year. So average will come 3 units. Of course, someday when it is good, weather is good, sky is clear and not so hot, little warm, it can give 7 units, 8 units. But sometimes it give only 1 unit when it is cloudy, foggy. So always consider those 2 months, say 60 days out of 365 days, it will not generate electricity, the solar. You will get it for 300 days only. So accordingly, the average unit comes 3 unit per kilowatt. Don't expect more than that. Secondly, if there is grid supply, it's okay. The net metering system will work. No need for battery backup. Net metering system means your solar system will be connected with the grid also. Suppose you have 2 kilowatt at your home and you installed a system of 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt grid will feed additional to the solar energy. So you will save 3 units a day average. And suppose net metering system is economical. Suppose you went outside on your sweet holidays for 10 days and it is locked. Your solar energy is not going to be waste. What will happen? The solar energy due to net metering system, it will go to the grid grid will work like a bank for you. It will be deposited there. Say 30 units in 10 days. It goes to the grid. So whenever you will come and start using electricity at your home, first these 30 units will be adjusted in your consumption. No wastage at all. So it is a good system. You have to take care for the panels. If you are giving fixed structure for the panels, it should face south, north, as per the longitude and latitude, country wise. And angle also, at what angle it should be tilted. Suppose in India, the latitude is 30 degree. So we used to install it at 30 degree, facing towards south to get maximum output. Then you have to take care. People, they don't wash their panels. So much dust on it. So all the efficiency is finished of the panels. Without cleaning, you expect from the solar panels that they should work efficiently? Never. It cannot be. Now, where there is no grid supply available, continuous for 24 hours or something like that, comes only 6 hours only available. In that case, you will need batteries. If you don't have grid system, then you need battery backup. What will happen? The solar panels, through the inverter, solar inverter, in daytime, they will charge the batteries. So suppose 1 kilowatt system will charge 6 hours to batteries and they got full. If you will put big batteries, they will be charged half only, because the solar panels, they will supply only a fixed amount. So batteries should be installed in a calculated way, that how many amperes you are getting in 6 hours, how many you will feed to the battery. So it should be proportionate, the battery size. Now, how to use it? Suppose in daytime, you put a system of 1 kilowatt and you are using 1 kilowatt throughout the day. So in 6 hours, whatever energy produced by the panel, you consume it. You didn't allow it to charge the batteries. You will not get anything in the night. It is like a pond. Well, suppose it rains, the pond is big, it will not full, that pond, maybe half. And beside that, you are consuming that water in daytime. It is raining and you are consuming continuously. No water will be left for night when it is not raining. And nothing is there in the battery. You have to sit in the dark. So how to consume. In daytime, use one bulb, whatever is needed. You put AC, your fridge, and everything, so it will finish in 1 hour. Battery has its own capacities, and you want to put all the load. So you have to consume that energy where it is important, or otherwise install a big system. 10 kilowatt for daytime, 10 kilowatt for night time, say 20 kilowatt. 10 kilowatt will keep charging the batteries for 6 hours, and 10 kilowatt you are consuming in daytime. It is coming to you, so that you use in daytime. Battery will give in the night time, and that too 6 hours in daytime, 6 hours in night time, not 24 hours. So it depends on your consumption. A small system, and you want to, and other hand, what happened? You put all the load in daytime. In the evening there is no solar. Battery got deep discharged, means you spoiled the batteries also. Putting maximum load on it, consumed everything from the battery. It got deep discharged, and next day solar will not charge it. You have to get it charged from outside, from a workshop with full power. Only then they will charge. And maybe they might have finished, totally destroyed. You have to change the batteries. So that care has to be taken. They should not be discharged, deep cycle discharged. So how to use it, it is up to you. Vendors, for your attraction, they will say, 5 unit, 6 unit, the system will give. Never. 3 units a day in 6 hours, it will give you 3 units. Now these 3 units you consume in 1 hour, you use it in 6 hours. In daytime, battery will not charge. If you don't use in daytime, in the night, it will give you 3 hours, 1 kilowatt load. If you will put 2 kilowatt load, it will give 3 hours only. So these things you have to keep in your mind. Then question come, how to get it installed, how to make the connections, how to make calculations for the battery selection, depending upon your solar panels. Solar panel, 1 kilowatt solar panels never will give you more than 700 watts, say 0.7 kilowatt at a time. For in 6 hours, 4 to 5 kilowatt. 4 to 5 kilowatt means 4 units, 10 kilowatt. But sometimes there is cloud, sometimes there is, so 3 units you should expect. So my dear friend, this is basics. Just you watch my videos. Normally our company used to make only solar sun tracker systems. So I will make a project for that also, for schooling students. I have made it before also. Arduino Uno programming based, and you will learn a lot from that. In coming videos, I have started this series, and one by one, I will make the things very clear to you about the solar system. I will show you one wiring diagram in my next video. So this is only introduction, just to suggest you, giving some tips before installation of any solar system and how to use it maximum. Panel should be cleaned regularly to get maximum efficiency, and whatever energy solar is producing, it should be consumed slowly, not to put all together all the load only in 1 hour you finish it. Unless until it is not so necessary in daytime, don't use. So the battery have energy for night time. It will give back. You use it in the night time. Night time also as per the battery capacity. So my dear friends, this is only starting, one introduction from my side. We will meet in our next video with the wiring diagram, with the installation, with the calculations one by one. We'll make small videos so that you should not feel bored. What people they do, just watch 2 minutes, close. You should watch complete video, and at every step you will find something new. Have patience for 10 minutes, 12 minutes. And for my next videos, please push the bell. You will get the notification for my next coming video. Always I cannot send from the WhatsApp. You keep it safe, my channel. Subscribe it, and for the sake of God, please share it so that it should reach to the needy people, needy guys. Our platform is free education platform, multi-tech education for you. Before I was running a company for solar for 10 years, Schwartz Solar Systems. I will show you my projects only, not from here and there. What I have done it so. So please, related to solar system, any queries there, please send me comment. WhatsApp me your message. My number you will find in this video. I'm always ready to help you. Thanks a lot, and see you in our next video.